In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share GoDaddy access with another person securely and efficiently. This can be quite handy if you need someone else to assist with website maintenance, domain management, or any other technical requirements that you might not feel comfortable handling on your own. It's always essential to manage who has access to your accounts and what level of control they possess. So, let's dive right into it and ensure that you can collaborate effectively without compromising your security. First, you'll want to log into your GoDaddy account. Navigate to the GoDaddy homepage and find the Sign In button at the top right corner. Click this and enter your login details. If you've enabled two-factor authentication, make sure to have your phone around as you'll need it to complete the login process. Once you're logged in, head to your account settings. You can find this by clicking on your name or the little profile icon at the top. A drop-down menu will appear, and from here, choose the option that says Account Settings. This area is like your control panel and allows you to manage everything related to your account. In the account settings, look for the Delegate Access section. Delegate access is essentially GoDaddy's way of letting you share control of your products without giving full access to account controls. Find it under the Account Information tab and click it to proceed. Now, when you're in the Delegate Access section, you'll see options to grant access. Look for the option to invite a delegate. You'll need the email address of the person you're sharing access with. Make sure you have that on hand. Type in their email address in the provided field. After that, you'll select the level of permission you wish to grant. GoDaddy provides various levels, from viewing only to full account management rights. It's wise to start by granting the minimum necessary access. You can always change this level later, should you find they need more control than initially thought. After you've set the permission level, send the invitation. The person you invited will receive an email notification, prompting them to accept the invitation. They'll need to follow the instructions provided in the email to complete the process on their end. It's crucial to always keep track of who has access to your account. You can do this by revisiting the Delegate Access section periodically. If, at any point, you need to revoke access, you can do so by clicking on the person's name and selecting the option to remove their access. And that's it. You've now successfully shared GoDaddy access with another user. It's all about maintaining balance, ensuring your collaborators have the tools they need while keeping your sensitive information guarded. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to drop a comment below. Until next time, happy managing!